everyone, hope you all are doing good. In this video, let's see the unboxing of the most popular and expensive color pencil set, the Prisma Premier 150 color pencil set. As the name says, it has 150 different colored pencils in it. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this set from my own pocket and ordered it from Amazon USA. Later, I got it delivered to India through a friend. I cannot mention the price as it keeps fluctuating from time to time, so please check the online and offline stores for an updated price. Almost all the pencils were fine except for one green pencil, which was slightly damaged at the bottom, but I did not notice it at the time of filming. Here you see a colorless blender pencil set that has two similar pencils in it. This is not a part of the set and I ordered it separately. They have only wax in them and no color pigment. This pencil is used to blend two different colors and also to smoothen out the filling in order to give a gradient look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and let me know if you have any queries in the comment section. See you soon in another video. Take care and bye bye.